Okay, I'm going to take you for a walk around Centre Court. I haven't seen it myself. Centre Court is on decks 5, 6 and 7. So let's see what we have. I can hear pianos. I guess it's being tuned. Kind of tunes how I sing. Destination experience. We are at the front, by the way, just so you know that. So Centre Court. I'm just going to walk around and see where I end up. This is Dickens. Looks like coffees, juices, etc.
Smile, you're on Candy Camera?
You are indeed now. So here we go. Centre Court on deck 5. So we obviously have some entertainment here as well. So let's walk around. We're going to do it in one go. So you discover as I discover. There we go. So I guess Centre Court, based on Wimbledon. It's going to pan up. Absolutely beautiful. So here are the essentials. Looks wonderful. This is our reception, which you find on Centre Court, deck 5. If I go this way, where would it take me? I guess I'm going to find out.
Okay.
So let's go this way. Right. I guess it takes me to the back of the ship. So let's walk up to deck 6. Let's try and do this in one go. Aces and 8s it says here. We're now on deck 6. What do we have here? Aces and 8s. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Shall we explore? Aha. That definitely looks like the card room. Aces and 8s would explain. And we'll do a walk around deck 6 and see what we have. Now these are some wonderful chairs for a wonderful view. There we are, looking down on deck 5. Over there, I see the shopping gallery. Beautiful decorations. The casino. Let's have a look in the casino. Deck 6 is where you'll find the casino, and it's clearly closed. So there we go. So you can try and win yourself another cruise, just to show all our casino lovers what the casino actually looks like. Okay. Still on Centre Court. I'm walking around again. There's lovely tables and chairs all the way around where you can just sit there with your drink and enjoy the wonderful view. There we go. So here, on the right hand side, we have our shopping galleria, where we have all our watches that we can get. They've locked it because they know I'm here. What do you think? Do you think I could get one? No, I don't want the alarm to go off. Hiya.
Hey.
You didn't see that, did you?
No.
No,
See
good.
what?
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. Here we go again. Deck 6. Lots of people filming. Lots of cruise bloggers, travel agents, vloggers, writers, you name it, are here. Right, Centre Court. So I want to go to deck 7. We're doing this in one go. I'm bound to miss something out. I do apologise if I would miss anything out. Hello. How you doing? Come on, arts and crafts. Where's that? Arts and crafts, that way. Let's go and have a look. I love looking at the decor. So, I haven't walked around, so I'm discovering this for the first time. I'm one of the first people to do this. I know there's lots of people who love their arts and crafts. So let's show everybody the room that you have to do your arts and crafts. Nice and slow. And then we have, I wish I could tell you what they are. And of course, we're back again to the card room. Right, let's walk out. I'm gonna go up one more flight of stairs to deck 7. I wonder why they decided to call it a centre court. Hopefully you haven't had to be going from left to right with my dodgy filming, and I haven't fallen yet, which is incredible. We're some of the first people to walk up here. A muster station. Okay. I'm going to come back and see what's down there. Let's just do a tour around Centre Court first of all. Deck 7. How comfortable they are. Here we go. Hopefully it's not too jerky. Again, there's more shops there, so I'm going to walk around those. Most importantly, we have a lovely bar there. Here we go, right, and the music's playing. Here we have our tax and duty free, which we can go there. And what do we have here? Aha, I recognise that ship. Look at that. Ambassador. You want an Ambassador mug? There you go. Or a pillow. There you go. Some computers there. Not good. No, I won't. I won't be naughty. Let's keep walking around. Here we have the entertainment venue on deck 7. Look at these long mirrors. I am entertained. What do you think? Do you think I should have a look? Oh, I will have a look around the theatre, but there's your theatre. You can see there are people in there already. Is that the captain? I've got no idea, but they're doing some kind of rehearsal. I've been naughty. Hello, hello, hello. Right, deck 7. Again, lifts everywhere. Let's walk around the other side. Here's some of your shops. Beauty studio. You can get your fragrances. There we go. Tax and duty free. There's your, I see a few nice drinks in the background there that take my fancy. Yes, definitely. Whatever. And look at all those. Yes. Okay, we're back up the top part. So let me show you without dropping it. Here we go. Centre Court, deck 7. You can sit up here and you can enjoy the music. Centre Courts. Now let's go around to the back now. I'm going to keep talking. We've got treats and souvenirs. So, are you going to treat yourself? Are you going to have some souvenirs? Yeah, you have to, don't you? You have to. Really do. Right. What do we have this way? Okay. Here's our toilets. Important. In case you have one too many. We are on deck 7. So I have no idea where we're going. Aha. The Botanical Lounge. Deck 7. Look what I've discovered. Gonna have to have a look. Look at this. So there we go. The Botanical Lounge. Here we go. Hello. Just going to pan round slowly so everybody can see what we have. Isn't this beautiful? Wonderful place for a nice drink. Nice quiet drink unless some idiot comes into films. Look at that, yeah? That's the Botanical Lounge. And I'm going to pan back. Again, there's more little quiet places to sit. So there you go, you can just sit there and you can just sit there. And here we go. Now what else do we have? I'm discovering all kinds of places here. Raffles Bar. Some people just testing the drinks. So Raffles Bar. Hello there. Again, you have another beautiful bar. There's a piano there for entertainment. I'll just show you what we have. Raffle. You're going to offer me one of those, aren't you? How you doing? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Would you recommend Raffles Bar?
Yes.
Fantastic.
Nice whiskey, nice gin for you.
A nice whiskey and a nice gin.
Yes.
With some lovely entertainment.
Yes, in the classical pianics. So,
And you're always smiling.
thank you.
Thank you. Heyte, yeah?
Hey, yes.
Heyte, thank you very much, Heyte. And the last walk, as such, to see where we're going. We're still on deck 7. We can see we've got a promenade deck here. So we can get out there and have a walk outside. Deck 7. Hello there.
Hi, hey, how are you?
Are you doing good?
Excellent, sir.
Thank you. We are welcome. Touchscreen to start. Does that mean that starts the engine and we go? Shall I do it? No. And I don't need that. But here we have, look at that. Beautiful. The Buckingham. This is the Buckingham Restaurant. I've discovered the Buckingham Restaurant on deck 7. There we go. So, I can get in. Let's have a look, come on. Nobody else has seen this, apart from you and me. You and me who are watching, we're sneaking in. Look how beautiful the Buckingham Restaurant is. This is huge, isn't it? I'm gonna walk around it. Yeah, lovely tables by the window. Very spacious. Beautiful decor. Look at all that. Look at all that. Just you and me. So here we go. Until I get thrown out, get chased by the chef. I haven't seen a chef yet. So I hope our tours of, look at that. Is that going to be enough for me? I don't know. Maybe, yeah? Maybe. So there we go. This has been a tour. Started at Centre Court. I had no idea what to expect. Decks 5, deck 6, deck 7. I pretty well discovered most places apart from the theatre because they were rehearsing in there. Look at this. Fantastic. Excellent. So if you've got any questions, please put them in comments. I will do my very best to answer. The new Ambassador Ambience, she sells for the very first time tomorrow. I am lucky enough to be one of the first people on board this beautiful ship. There we go. Thank you. Shall I try outside? Please use other door. Does that mean this door? No. Please use other door. Shall we? Emergency exit only. So I won't do that. So there we go, I'll leave you this. That's been a tour of the brand new Ambassador Ambience. Thank you.